Hey everyone, Dylan Reichstad, also known as Dylan Live here, with an exciting event. Right here, I have my iPhone 4. It is June 23rd. I'll give huge props out to AT&T, they shipped it early, overnight shipping. iPhone 4, June 23rd, right now. So this is the pre-release, it has not been released yet. So we're going to do something fun. I'm coming off of an iPhone 3G. And let me just show you some of the damage this thing has done. Look at that scratch mark. We are broadcasting live as well on justin.tv/DylanLive. Huge props out to Nick Consoni. Check him out at www.nickconsoni.com. Some of the things I'm excited about besides the phone is a new USB adapter. This is electric tape right here. I'm surprised it still works. And new earbuds. I actually just noticed this is coming off. It's quite unpleasant to put in your ears. But here we go. Are you ready for the excitement? As people are texting me of excitement. Here we go. The sweet thing is because this was shipped out, this is the legit opening. AT&T, Apple has not opened this to activate it. So let's not show my address here or my phone number here, but very interesting box design here. Apple. So pretty interesting, just about the same. 32 gigabytes, iPhone black. Kind of a little bit open. I'll be a little bit safe here. Alright, there we go. Tricky part's over. Now it is all fun from here. So you know what? We are officially retiring this. Let's throw it on the floor. Let's do this. Bam. Right there. Very shiny looking right off the bat. Lift it up a little bit. This feels weird. There's my phone. This definitely feels a little bit thicker. I don't know if I necessarily agree with how everyone is saying that they like this better. I almost like the roundedness a little bit better, but yeah, this is an unboxing video, so maybe I should unbox the rest. Ooh, how exciting right here. New USB cable. And new earbuds. Alright, that's all I needed. It's instruction manual too. Alright, that was fun. Now I can use my new stuff right here. Sweetness. Alright, that's all for us today. And oh wait, that's right. This is the iPhone 4 after all. So what? What are we supposed to do with this? Are we supposed to charge it first, or are we just supposed to power it on? Guess we're supposed to connect it to iTunes. And it activates right here. I don't know about you, but I'm always a little bit afraid to take this stuff off for like, I'll probably keep this on for like a week. Here's an advantage right here. I think it is much easier to trip and turn off the silent on the 3G. This is a little bit more difficult, which is good. Of course, I'm doing things right now. All right, here we go. Well, Waiting for activation. This may take some time. Welcome to your new phone. Let's get started. Register your phone. Oh, we'll see. Of course, accept Apple's. I read through all of that, so shh, don't tell them. Alright, I'm just going to enter in my information here real quick. Alright, and then here's all my information. First name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, email address, and phone number. Ooh, iPhone number. Can change that. Alright, I'm going to submit that. I don't know, what do you guys want to see? Heard this thing has, what, 512 megabytes of RAM? Very nice. Should we try the camera out real quick for you? I haven't deactivated my phone yet. Hold on, use my... I noticed with iOS 4, it definitely slowed things down in my 3G. But well, let's kind of look at this real quick. Probably be a little bit interesting. Up in the corner, that's obviously a little bit different. Just flips around. Oh, hi guys. Then obviously, this can switch between recording and. I wonder if we can get like even the picture quality. I mean, you can even see that on camera. That picture quality is wow. You can do flash. Oh, ouch! There's a picture. Just the detail of this, pretty nice. And compared to 3G. Should we take a quick look at multitasking? Rotation lock. Does the screen look noticeably better? Good question. Probably won't be able to see this, but looking at maps, the icon. Yeah, that does look absolutely beautiful. Volume controls. Kind of wish we had a camera button with the front camera being VGA. Noise cancellation. Microphone. Very beautiful. Like I said, I'm still not sure. I almost feel like I like the smoothness better. The curve. This feels a lot more, you know, bulky than this does. You know, of course I'm not a human scale, but I almost feel like this is heavier. This is just the human scale though. This does feel heavier than this. But yeah, very cool. Thank you for joining. Make sure you check out the livecast at www.justin.tv/DylanLive. Also check out Nick Consoni at www.nickconsoni.com. Go out, get your iPhones. Take care, guys.